This is the Agaro Tabletop Water Flosser, Agaro's most premium water flosser in the Indian market. What comes inside the box, who is this for, and is it worth it? Let's find out in this video. Hi, I'm Dr. Arib Deshmukh. Just some time back I had made a video on water flossers and why they're so great. Link to that video is in the description down below. In that video, the water flosser I had showed was this portable one. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want a separate video explaining the difference between the two. We'll start with the unboxing of this water flosser. The water flosser is IPX4 waterproof, so you can easily use it underwater. It comes with 10 pressure settings and 2 modes, clean and massage. I love the fact that the manual given is quite comprehensive and detailed. For such new products, you should always go through the manual before you start using it. We get 4 nozzles which include a tongue flosser and an orthodontic tip attachment. There's a case at the top to keep all your attachments in one place. The nozzle here can be rotated 360 degrees, which is a neat feature. When it comes to design, I really love this white and grey combination. Very neutral and is pleasing to the eye. The white part comes with a shiny finish while the grey part comes with a matte finish. And then we have the Agaro branding on the front. The buttons have a good travel, they are tactile and feel well built. The handle magnetically attaches to the main unit. One thing I would like Agaro to improve in the next model is to make this nozzle case a little tighter, as it easily comes off, and I would love to have a more secure fit. So when you want to use it, take the water tank and fill it up to the 600 ml mark. Power it on, select the mode of your choice, clean or massage, select the intensity, guide the nozzle near the gum line at a 90-degree angle, and then switch on the button on the handle. Move it slowly along the rest of the teeth for 2 minutes, after which it auto switches off. See, there is no scientific way for me to show you guys how well this performs, but in my personal testing, I did experience it to clean very nicely without damaging my gums. I was using the water flosser in the clean mode at an intensity of level 4, which I thought was the sweet spot for me. The water flosser retails at a great price point of ₹2299. Links to buy the water flosser are in the description down below. If you travel a lot, stay alone, or you just want to try water flossers for the very first time, I would recommend you to buy the portable one from Agaro. If you're already using a portable water flosser, then this is the natural progression for you. It has a large water tank with multiple nozzles, so it's perfect for a family to own it, as they can share and use it. And that's it from my side. Leave a comment down below if you guys are already using water flossers or you plan to buy one soon. I'll see you guys in the next one, and till then, happy brushing.